Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices required drivers you can download from there. Then you can see this is search button, you just click on that. After that you enter your model number Z790 DAC motherboard, then hit enter. So enter the title of the model number, then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, but both the installation process same. You can select any. You can see this video and install the Windows 10 operating system drivers. Chipset. So serial driver, and click to download. It is downloaded and it's open on display. Just open it and double click to exe. This is .exe, and then click on yes. Now this is installing. And this is close means automatic, means this is installed. Then install this Intel INF installations and click to download. It is start downloading in download box. After you can open it, then double click to exe, then yes. Now this is extracting. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed.